Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use personal loan easy method. Start by checking your credit score and comparing APRA and fees across lenders to find the best deal. Gather required documents like ID, income proof, and bank statements to speed approval. Choose a loan term that keeps monthly payments affordable while minimizing total interest. Make a simple budget to allocate payments and avoid new debt surprises. Personal loans work best when used for predictable needs or to replace high-interest debt. Think about consolidating credit card balances to save on interest and make budgeting easier. Borrow only the amount necessary and avoid stretching terms just to lower payments, which increases total interest. Plan repayments into your monthly budget and prioritize on-time payments to protect credit and reach financial goals without extra stress. Treat your personal loan like a focused savings goal with regular, intentional payments. Automating payments prevents late fees and keeps your credit healthy without thinking about it. When your budget allows, make additional principal payments to cut interest and finish the loan sooner. Review your loan agreement for prepayment penalties so extra payments actually save money, and adjust your budget to maintain emergency savings while repaying the loan responsibly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.